All right, over the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna try to keep to a daily cadence of videos on what I get done every day. So continuation from yesterday, this morning I sanded down all of the FiberFlex welding rods that I put on. And so you see me using my DA sander here to bring all of those down. Now what you see is still shiny are voids. So when I put the plastic in, I didn't, I got low spots. So I'm going to sand down everything here until I get everything even as best I can.
Five minutes later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
And now I go back and re-weld the low spots so they fill in those cracks. So I found that doing this, I really didn't need to put the other filler in that looked like Bondo. I'm going to skip that step completely.
5 minutes later. One hour later.
All right, 1 hour later, I sand the voids again.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, what you see me doing here is measuring the holes. I have to sand them with a barrel sander to open them up to account for the material. You have to do this on the lowest speed setting of your Dremel and do it very carefully. This is sped up, but I was trying to be very careful to open up these radiuses to 1 5/8 inches. Hopefully that's enough material and I didn't go too far.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, with the radius is cut out and everything's sanded. This is acetone. I'm wiping down the pod with acetone. And again, this is very smooth surface now, so the fact that I'm putting foam over it, I didn't feel I needed to do anything with the filler. And those welds, that FiberFlex is a very strong weld. Here I am wiping down the foam that came with the kit. And unfortunately the camera didn't catch it, but I'm spraying the contact side of the foam, and now I'm spraying the dash pod. And that's Dap Weld, it's contact cement. And make sure where you put this, and you want to have the overlap because tomorrow I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to cut and taper it. What you don't want to have is an edge, and so they say you're going to taper you're going to cut back about 1/2 inch and then taper it. And there is as far as I got today. It looks like a nice smooth surface. I'll get that cut and tapered, and it'll be ready for putting in the leather. And let's hope I got those holes right and not too big, not too small. Thanks for watching. If you're finding these videos helpful, please press the like button. And if you haven't done so, I encourage you to press the subscribe button so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. So a lot of content coming up over the next 2 weeks in preparation for RADWood Philly. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care.